Welcome to Screen Reader Space.
Navigate confidently with Adrian Tamasan.
Through talking and tactile technology.
A podcast brought to you
by Access Tech VIP.
Welcome to episode 3 of Screen Reader Space podcast. Today I'll tell you more about NVDA. I'll show you how to navigate around the computer with the NVDA. I'll explain you briefly the menu of the screen reader, and I will explain you how to change your voices or the language of your screen reader if you talk or speak any other language than English. I use for today demonstration NVDA, the latest version in September 2025, which is 2025 version 3. As a voice, I use Eloquence. I like Eloquence. I'm quite used with this voice from many years ago. It's the voice which is also in JAWS, and a few years ago was added even in the Apple products. Here is computer. To navigate to the desktop, I'll press Windows D.
Desktop list, Audacity 1041.
And it's reading the icon of the Audacity in which I record this podcast, by the way. If I wish to go in the menu of the NVDA, I'll go with Insert N.
NVDA menu.
Or if you have as a modifier key set the caps lock key, you'll press caps lock N instead of Insert N.
Preferences submenu P.
So in the menu we have preferences. And wherever you hear submenu, that means the area could be expanded. So a right arrow in any submenu will expand that area. So if the preferences is submenu, that means we can arrow right.
Settings S.
And here is the first option in the tree of preferences. So settings, arrow down.
Speech dictionary submenu D.
Speech dictionary. And here is another submenu. If we right arrow again.
Default dictionary D.
Down.
Voice dictionary V. Temporary dictionary T. Default dictionary D.
So we have 3 dictionaries here. We'll go with left arrow now to go back to the
Speech dictionary submenu D.
Speech dictionary submenu. Yeah. So now we are in the level where the settings.
Settings S.
It was the first item. So down arrow, or whenever I'll say down or left or right, that means is an arrow key pressed in that direction, just for the sake of being short in communication. So down, that means arrow down. Up, that means arrow up. Left, that means arrow left. Right, that means arrow right.
Speech dictionary submenu D. Punctuation / symbol pronunciation P. Input gestures N.
And as you can hear, also the system is announcing a letter.
Punctuation / symbol pronunciation P.
P.
Input gestures N.
Input gestures N.
Audacity multi-track editor accessibility enhancement settings A.
So that's the one key shortcut what you can also use to activate that option.
Input gestures N. Audacity multi-track editor accessibility enhancement settings A. Settings S.
Okay, so we turn back to setting.
Speech dictionary submenu D.
Because it's wrapping up the menu.
Settings S. Audacity multi-track editor accessibility enhancement settings A.
So this accessibility
settings S. Audacity multi-track editor accessibility enhancement settings A.
editor enhancement is part of an add-on which I have here installed, but I'll tell you another time about that.
Input gestures N.
That bit probably will be not in your copy of NVDA if you just install it.
Punctuation / symbol pronunciation P.
So in the punctuation section, we can set how much of the punctuation will be spoken and
input gestures N. Punctuation / symbol pronunciation P.
Symbols as well.
Speech dictionary submenu D. Settings S. Speech dictionary submenu D. Settings S.
In settings, if we go, pressing enter, and then
NVDA settings, general, normal configuration, dialog, categories, list Alt + C, general 1 of 18.
We have here in settings another tree starting with the general. Wherever you hear
apply button Alt + A, categories, list Alt + C, general 1 of 18.
1 of followed by a number, that means it's a list of things. So here we have 18 different things. So general, what else?
Speech 2 of 18.
Arrow down.
General 1 of 18. Speech 2 of 18.
Speech.
Braille 3 of 18.
And you can hear my system is announcing is number 3 out of 18.
Audio 4 of 18. Vision 5 of 18. Keyboard 6 of 18. Mouse 7 of 18. Review cursor 8 of 18. Input composition 9 of 18. Object presentation 10 of 18. Browse mode 11 of 18. Document formatting 12 of 18. Document navigation 13 of 18. Remote access 14 of 18. Add-on store 15 of 18. Windows OCR 16 of 18. Advanced 17 of 18. IBM TTS 18 of 18.
All right, so all of those are elements from the settings menu. You can go with enter in any.
Advanced 17 of 18.
So we'll go,
Windows OCR 16. Add-on store 15 of 18. Remote access 14 of 18. Document formatting 12 of 8. Browse mode 11 of 8. Object presentation. Input composition 9 of 8. Review cursor 8 of 18. Mouse 7 of 18. Keyboard 6 of 18. Vision 5 of 18. Audio 4 of 18.
In audio, let's go in audio. So I'm with the arrow keys, I was moving up to audio, and now I press tab.
Audio property page. Audio output device. Combo box register 2L plus R. Because I USB audio. Collapse Alt plus D.
And here is announcing the output device, which in my case is my Vocaster console.
Audio docking mode. Combo box no docking. Collapse Alt plus U.
Audio docking is a system of docking the multiple channels of sound, and when the screen reader is talking, the other audio sources are slightly diminished just to have the chance to hear the screen reader better.
Volume of NVDA sounds follows voice volume. Checkbox not checked.
So here you can match the volume of the screen reader with a match of media.
Volume of NVDA sound slider 100.
running.
Sound split mode. Combo box sound split disabled. Collapse Alt plus S.
Sound split is a function what you can use to set some of the sounds on left and some of the right.
Volume of NVDA sound slider 100. Sound split mode. Combo box sound split disabled. Collapse Alt plus S.
In my case, it's disabled. I prefer to hear NVIDIA on both ears.
Modes available in the cycle. Sound split mode command. List Alt plus M. Sound split disabled. Checkbox checked.
And here are multiple modes what you can do. You can use when the sound split is enabled.
Time to keep audio device awake after speech. Seconds. Set Alt plus K selected 30.
All right. So it's quite explanatory.
OK button.
And now it's OK. I'll press OK.
Space. Desktop list. Audacity 10 of 41.
And now I'm out of the menu. Now, because I didn't finish the menu, I'll return in the menu with the same command. Insert N.
NVDA menu.
And I'll not go any longer in the preferences, but I'll down arrow.
Preferences submenu key. Tools submenu key.
Tools submenu. And here, right?
View log L.
View log. Here you can see the logs of your system. There you can go to copy probably one of those logs to send to support NVDA if are problems or issues detected in your system.
Speech viewer S.
Speech viewer.
Braille viewer B.
Braille viewer.
Add-on store A.
Add-on store. This one is quite important because in this area you can manage your add-ons. Add-ons are little programs, if you wish, little components which are set and packed to work with NVDA, which will bring extra functions to the default NVDA set of options. So, for example, you can have an add-on for Dropbox, another for WhatsApp, or various other products. Just that means Dropbox or WhatsApp not work without those add-ons, not at all. So they work default with NVDA, but those add-ons could bring some extra improvements. Other cases where without the add-on the experience is terrible, but in the most of the situations, some of the add-ons are just fixing little troubles here and there or expand some facilities of that program.
Python console P.
Python console.
Create portable copy C.
Create a portable copy. If you set up your NVDA at the right step, the right pitch, the right voice, the right language, and you like to have a copy of that iterance of NVDA, including those settings, you can create a copy in here.
Runcom registration fixing tool R.
There's a tool for addressing the errors.
Reload plugins R.
Reload plugins. You can
Remote submenu E.
load NVIDIA without add-ons and or other third-party plugins. Remote is an add-on helping me to connect remotely to another computer, which is not installed default, but you can add it as an add-on extra.
View log L.
Okay, so we're back on. Now I'll go left.
Tool submenu T.
So I'm back in the main menu where is Preference Tools, and then down arrow.
Help submenu H.
Help submenu. Here is a very important section because if we go right,
User guide 2.
we have the user guide. If we go down,
Commands quick reference Q.
command quick reference.
What's new N?
What's new?
NV access website W.
And when NVDA website,
Help training and support H.
help training and support.
NV access shop S.
I can't stress you enough how unutilized are those resources. Whatever you need to learn or to find out about NVDA could be found in here. If you take the time to surf the area of training and help and to search patiently and carefully the information, for sure you'll find out the information in here.
License I. Welcome dialog L. Check for update C.
Check for update here. Obviously you can check for updates. It's not the case for me because I have the latest version.
About A.
But keep in mind, if you decide to update the latest versions, it is very possible some of the add-ons what you use already to not work anymore because they are not compatible with the new versions, or they couldn't be emulated to work in the new versions. So you have to do it on your own risk.
User guide 2. Commands quick reference Q. What's new N?
Okay, so
NV access website W. Help training and support H.
let's go here and help training and support.
Desktop list Audacity 10 of 41.
Press enter.
NV access get help. Google Chrome window. NV access get help. Navigation landmark heading level 1 link graphic. NV access empowering lives through non-visual access to technology. Link donate. List with 9 items. Link home. Link above. Link download. Link current page. Get help.
And now I'm in the NVDA webpage. And here we can learn a little bit about navigation with NVDA. So NVDA is using quite the same technology which is found in any other kind of screen reading software. So we can navigate based on headings or one key navigation, pressing H for headings, B for buttons, X for check marks, and so on. So let's try. I'll press H.
Clickable main landmark to open support. You need to use NVDA to the fullest. Heading level 2.
Okay. And now I just down arrow to read line by line.
Heading level 2 needs support with your download. Heading level 3 free user guide. You can access the user guide at any time under open the NVDA menu. Press here insert N. The N key or caps lock and the N key to open the NVDA menu. Alternatively, click on the NVDA icon in the taskbar. Link view user guide.
Okay, so you can read the user guide.
Heading level 3 NVDA quick start guide. The NVDA user guide contains a quick start guide. Access this at any time under open the NVDA menu. Press here insert the N key or caps lock and the N key to open the NVDA menu or from the NVDA icon in the taskbar. Link quick start guide. Heading level 3 training. Start with basic training for NVDA in electronic text, audio, or braille. Move on to Microsoft Office with NVDA or bundle everything plus telephone support in the NVDA productivity bundle.
So here is like a section where you can go in the NVDA shop and you can buy ebooks about getting started with NVDA or working with NVDA on Office products and so on. And also you can buy some third-party voices if you wish to use another language than the one which is built in the system. So I'll close the web page. So let's try, first of all, let's try a few elements of navigating the screen. So we can use home and end to go to the beginning of the row.
With Office.
Office with
NVDA. Or bundle everything.
Or bundle everything. So this is the row where the focus is. If I press H, it's going to the beginning of the row. O from Office, yeah. I navigate with arrow keys left and right to read letter by letter.
F-I-C-E space W-I-T-H space.
So if I wish to navigate word by word, I'll hold down Control and use left and right arrow keys.
Office with NVDA or bundle everything plus telephone support.
All right. They are based in Australia, by the way, just to keep in mind if you intend to call them. The prices here are in the Australian dollars. So this is to how you can navigate in the text. Obviously, if I wish to copy this text, I can select it. So I can press Home. I'm at the beginning of the row. I'll hold down Shift and I'll press End.
Office with NVDA or bundle everything plus telephone support in the NVDA productivity bundle selected.
And this row of text is selected, and you heard NVDA reporting selected. I can select the whole page with Control A, select all. Yeah. And I can hit Control C to copy and then save all the text in a notepad. I don't need that, but just for the sake of showing you how to copy information from a website. Now, if I wish to navigate to the top of the page, I'll hit Control Home.
Navigation landmark heading level 1 link graphic NV access empowering live through non-visual access to technology.
And you heard the title of the page, and you heard the word landmark.
No next radio button.
R is navigating between radio buttons. X,
No next checkbox.
no checkbox, so are not tick boxes here.
No next combo box.
No combo boxes, so for that you have to press C. If I press A,
No next annotation.
annotation no. T,
No next table.
Q.
No next block quote.
For example, if you wish to learn, shortcuts are available
NV access. Clickable navigation landmark heading level 1.
in this context. You can press. So you heard me saying about one letter navigation, which is easy to use when you navigate web pages, because in the web pages are all sorts of objects. So our buttons, our edit fields, links, graphics, and landmarks, which are like virtual markers on the web page, helping a screen reader user to jump from a whole section to another. You don't want to go every single time when you load a page to read 20 lines of text just to land on the section where you are interested. So if you understand the page and you take the benefit of using landmarks, you can skip through a single command to a certain section in the page, avoiding to read the whole page content until arriving there. If you wish to learn what is doing every single key when we talk about one single key navigation, press Insert 1, which will activate a help menu.
Input help on. Press NVDA +1 again to turn it off.
So an input help is called actually. And now, as far this option is turned on, you can press any letter on the keyboard and will tell you what it's doing.
A moves to the next annotation. S moves to the next separator. D moves to the next landmark.
So if you want to move from a landmark to another, you use letter D.
F moves to the next form field.
Form field with F.
G moves to the next graphic.
G with graphics. They are quite logical.
H moves to the next heading.
Headings with H.
J.
J doesn't do anything.
K moves to the next link.
K moves to the next link.
L moves to the next list.
L, next list. And then
Semi.
nothing semicolon.
Tick.
Nothing tick box.
Number.
Hashtag no.
Right bracket.
Right
Left
bracket. No. P. Let's see P.
P moves to the next text paragraph.
Move to the next paragraph.
O moves to the next embedded object.
Embedded objects are, as the name is saying, they are objects which are embraced in another object or in another content. If you wish, for example, a play button is an object which is embraced into a media player, and the media player could be embraced in a frame, and that frame could be embraced in a web page. So we have to navigate from a section to another, just going from a level of the object to the other one. And when the systems keep some information about an object, we can go deeper and deeper and until we reach at the bottom of the object, the final one.
I moves to the next list item.
I is moving between the items of the list.
U moves to the next unvisited link.
Unvisited links.
Y.
Y. None.
T moves to the next table.
T about tables. R.
R moves to the next radio button.
Radio buttons.
E moves to the next edit field.
Edit field with letter E.
W moves to the next error.
W moves to the next error, especially when you use in documents.
Q moves to the next block quote.
Go down on the bottom line of letters.
Backslash.
Backslash.
Z.
Z, nothing.
X moves to the next checkbox.
X is dealing with checkboxes. C with combo
C moves to
boxes.
the next combo box. V moves to the next visited link.
Visited links with V.
B moves to the next button.
B with buttons.
N skips forward past the block of links.
N is skipping back and forth a group of links.
M moves to the next frame.
Move to the next frame with letter M. Let's see what is doing comma and dot.
Comma moves past the end of a container element such as a list or table. Dot. Comma moves past the end of a container element such as a list or table.
All right.
Slash.
Slash nothing. If we press functional keys like Alt and Windows and let's see.
Left Windows.
Left Windows.
Applications.
Application.
Space activates the current object in the document.
So when I press space, it's saying what is doing. Space.
Right control.
Right control
Left control.
doesn't say anything. One more thing what is important to learn about input. For example, if you wish, you can press insert plus the numbers which are above the letters.
NVDA +1. Input tilt off.
It's turning on and off the input, so I have to turn it back on.
Input tilt on. Press NVDA +1 again to turn it off.
But insert 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on is doing a bunch of other important things. So let's see.
NVDA +2. Cycles through options for when to speak type characters.
So, for example, if I wish the system to read the characters when I'm typing, I'll press insert 2, and I can press insert 2 again to cycle between options. Yeah?
NVDA +2. Cycles through options for when to speak type characters.
Okay. What about insert 3?
NVDA +3. Cycles through options for when to speak type words.
Words. So if you wish to have a word read out once you finish it to type it, keep this option on.
NVDA +4. Toggles on and off the speaking of command keys.
Command keys, for example, when the system is telling you what to press to do a certain action, that's the command key.
NVDA +5. Toggles on and off the recording of dynamic content changes, such as new text and dust control windows.
Okay, dynamic changes. For example, could be widgets where the weather is changing periodically, or a widget with news headlines or something streaming. That's the idea.
NVDA +6. Toggles on and off the movement of the review cursor due to the caret moving.
So here is about the mouse and cursor.
NVDA +6. Toggles on and off the movement of the review cursor due to the caret moving.
All right, so it's quite explanatory.
NVDA +7. Toggles on and off the movement of the navigator object due to focus changes.
And this one.
NVDA +8. NVDA +7. Toggles on and off the movement of the navigator object due to focus changes.
All right, so from 7 onwards
NVDA +0.
is nothing. Let's see.
NVDA +F9 marks the current position of the review cursor as the start of text to be selected or copied.
Okay, so if you have the insert key as a modifier, it's worth trying to press insert in combination with various F keys, like from F1 to F12, to see what they are doing. So I'll press insert F1.
NVDA +F1 logs information about the current navigator object, which is useful to developers and activates the log viewer so the information can be examined.
Okay, so this is for developers.
NVDA +F2. The next key that is pressed will not be handled at all by NVDA. It will be passed directly through the windows.
All right. So is ignoring the next combination of keys and will be ignored by NVDA. Scenarios where keys are in conflicts with other applications.
NVDA +F3 finds the next occurrence of the previously entered text string from the current cursor's position.
So if you search a text with F3, you can find the previous occurrence of that text which you enter for search.
NVDA +F4.
Nothing.
NVDA +F5 refreshes the document content.
All right, so insert F5, refresh the document content.
NVDA +F6.
Nothing.
NVDA +F7 lists various types of elements in this document.
This is a very important one. I'll tell you more about it later.
NVDA +F8. NVDA +F9 marks the current position of the review cursor as the start of text to be selected or copied.
So this one, again, is a very interesting command because if you wish to copy more text and to not be bothered to hold down Shift for 20, 30 rows of text or even longer, you can insert a marker with insert F9 and then arrow down until you want to end the selection, and there.
NVDA +F10. If pressed once, the text from the previously set start marker up to and including the current position of the review cursor is selected. If pressed twice, the text is copied to the clipboard.
F10 will, if you press twice, will copy the text in the clipboard.
NVDA +F9 marks the current position of the review cursor as the start of text to be selected or copied.
F12.
NVDA +F11.
Oops.
NVDA +F12. If pressed once, reports the current time. If pressed twice, reports the current date.
All right, so press once for time, press quickly F12 while insert is down and will tell you the date. All right, so those are mainly the one key combination, or keys in combination with insert, because you can try to use insert in combination for all sorts of other keys, like
NVDA +S cycles between speech modes. NVDA +S cycles between speech modes. NVDA +A. NVDA +F reports formatting info for the text under the caret. If pressed twice, presents the information in browse mode.
All right, insert +F.
NVDA +G. NVDA +H. NVDA +J. NVDA +K reports the destination URL of the link at the position of caret or focus. If pressed twice, shows the URL in the window for easier review.
This one is very nice to consult links. Sometimes you have a certain keyword set to take you to another web page, to a link. So if you press enter there, you are taken from the current page, taken to another website to visit another page. You never know what page will be that one. So if you wish to consult the URL of that page where you'll be taken, pressing on that link, you can use insert key to consult the URL to see if it's safe going there.
NVDA plus C reports the text on the Windows clipboard. Pressing twice spells this information. Pressing 3 times spells it using character descriptions.
All right, so this is another interesting thing. If you have in clipboard a name or a telephone number and you want to be read out clearly or to have the name spelled, you can use insert C.
NVDA plus C reports the text on the Windows clipboard. Pressing twice spells this information. Pressing 3 times spells it using character descriptions.
All right. So twice for spelling, 3 times just to describe even the characters of the text which is taken in clipboard. Why is it important then? Because sometimes you can copy text with a certain format, and you want to know if the text is just text only or you copied also the formatting of that text.
NVDA plus N shows the NVDA menu.
Okay, insert N to open the menu of NVDA.
NVDA plus M toggles the recording of information as the mouse moves.
Insert M toggles the mouse on and off.
NVDA plus comma.
Reporting where
NVDA plus dot.
actually the mouse is.
NVDA plus slash.
Lovely. So I'll press now insert 1 again to stop the input help.
NVDA plus 1 input help off.
Now we are back on the page.
Link donate. List with 9 items visited.
Of NVDA. And now I'll tell you how to quickly navigate between same kind of objects. For example, you can group all the links from this web page in a list of links, or you can group all the headings from this page in a list of headings, and you can navigate only from a heading to another. Or you can group even the graphics, the pictures of this web page in a group, and doing the same thing. So insert F7.
Elements list dialog. Preview level 0 home. Visited same page 3 of 66.
So you heard
Elements list dialog. Preview home. Visited same page 3 of 66 level 0.
So elements is a tree view. And now if I down arrow.
About collapsed submenu 4 of 66 level 0 home. Visited same page 3 of 66 level 0. Type grouping links radio button check alt plus K.
Is grouping as links, but if I go, I did shift tab. If I press down arrow here.
Headings radio button check alt plus H.
I can group as headings.
Form fields radio button check alt plus F.
As form fields.
Buttons radio button check alt plus D.
As buttons.
Landmarks radio button check alt plus D.
Landmarks.
Links radio button check alt plus K.
Links. So links is alt plus K.
Landmarks radio button check alt plus D.
Alt plus D is the landmarks.
Buttons radio button check alt plus D.
Alt plus B buttons.
Form fields radio button check alt plus F.
Form fields.
Headings radio button check alt plus H.
Headings alt plus H.
Links radio button check alt plus K.
Alt plus K links.
Landmarks radio button check alt plus D.
Okay, so I'll press escape.
NV access Google Chrome window. NV access document. Visited same page link current page home collapsed submenu link about link download link at help collapsed submenu link corporate / government collapsed submenu link log link support us link shop link create account / login.
You heard how the system was reading the whole header of the page containing the menu and was stopped. But if I'll press insert down arrow, we'll read the whole content of the page.
Visited same page link current page home collapsed submenu link about link download link at help collapsed submenu link corporate / government collapsed submenu link log link support us link shop link create account / login. Out of list. Main landmark heading level 2. We believe that every blind plus vision impaired person deserves the right to freely and easily access a heading level 2 computer. We create the software which makes that possible. Heading level 2 the facts. Heading level 3 millions of people. There are 285 million blind and vision impaired people in the world. They all have amazing gifts to contribute to society, but they need
Press
the right
control to stop speech. Control is pausing the speech. Control doesn't switch the NVDA off. Just is pausing the speech, is stopping the cursor to move on the screen. We have here, for example, edit fields because we have probably a search. So I'll press letter E.
No next edit field.
It's saying no edit, next edit field. Press Shift E.
No previous edit field.
So it's not. Probably you have buttons like a download button. Let's see if I'll press letter B.
No next button.
Do we have something?
No next button. No previous button.
No. Headings?
A free solution heading level 3.
Yes.
How to get involved heading level 2.
2,
Hi, Web Rose Trademark Remix of Jamie heading level 3. Our Manifesto heading level 2.
4,
Web Rose Trademark Retrusted and supported by heading
5,
Featured Products heading level 2.
6,
List with 3 items basic training for NVDA. Ebook heading
7,
NVDA Expert Certification and
8,
NVDA Productivity Bundle heading level 1. Our
9,
User Say heading level 2.
10,
Social Media heading level 2. Content info landmark about US heading level 3.
12,
Recent posts heading level 3. And access on
13,
Mastodon heading level 3.
14.
Useful links heading level 3. No next heading.
So 14 headings we have in here. We'll create a list of elements like insert F7.
Elements list dialog. Preview. Link embedded in Mastodon post 57 of 66
And
level 0.
now we'll press Alt B to navigate from button to button.
Type grouping. Buttons radio button check Alt plus E.
Group them as buttons, okay. Press Tab.
Preview.
Once again.
Filter by edit Alt plus Y blank. Cancel button. Type grouping. Buttons radio button check Alt plus E.
Okay, buttons.
Preview. Filter by edit Alt plus Y blank. Blank. Blank.
Nothing.
Cancel button. Type grouping. Buttons radio button check Alt plus E.
Buttons doesn't work, so let's try
Form fields radio button check Alt plus F.
form fields.
Preview. Filter by edit Alt plus Y blank. Cancel button. Type grouping. Form fields radio button check Alt plus F. Preview.
Nothing.
Filter by edit Alt plus Y blank. Cancel button. Type grouping. Form fields radio button check Alt plus F.
Let's try
Headings radio button check Alt plus H.
headings
Links radio button check Alt plus K.
and links. Those two elements will work for sure.
Landmarks radio button check Alt plus D.
And landmarks will work because I heard landmarks being announced.
Preview. Content info 3 of 3 level 0. Filter by edit Alt plus Y blank. Move the button Alt plus M. Cancel button. Type grouping. Landmarks radio button check Alt plus preview. Content info 3 of 3 level 0.
Okay.
Main 2 of 3 level 0.
So we have main,
Navigation 1 of 3 level 0.
navigation,
Main 2 of 3 level 0. Content info 3 of 3 level 0.
content. So 3 landmarks. Now I'll press escape from this element list.
NV Access. Google Chrome window. NV Access document. Heading level 3 useful links.
And now we are back into the web page. And let's try to go on the top of the page. Control.
Navigation landmark heading level 1. Visit the same page. Link graphic. NV Access empowering live through non.
So I press Control to pause the speech. Now I heard navigation landmark, which is read exactly at the beginning of the page. I'll press letter D, which jumps between landmarks.
Main landmark. We believe that every blind plus vision impaired person.
And you heard main landmark. Why? Because the main landmark actually takes the cursor and put it exactly where is starting the content of the page. So skip me over all that menu list and all the fluff of what we heard earlier. Press D again.
Content info landmark about US heading level 3.
Content. Here is a section about us, which is probably on the right of the page in a sidebar. And here we can see a section which probably will remain unchanged. Doesn't matter what other page will access on this website.
NV Access is a registered charity and software development. We are the creators of NVDA, of free and vision impaired. Link graphic ACNC registered charity. Heading level 3 recent posts. List with 5 items. Bullet link in process.
And
17
here
September
we
20.
have recent posts. Let's see if we have another landmark.
No next landmark.
No line. So let's try Shift D.
Main landmark. We believe that every blind plus vision
Okay,
impaired.
once more.
Navigation landmark. NV Access empowering live through non-visual access to technology.
And now if we arrow down.
Link donate. List with 9 items. Visit the same out of list. Main landmark. Heading level 2. We believe that every blind plus vision impaired person deserves the right to freely and easily access it.
So there's a donate link there.
Heading level 2 computer. We create the software which makes that possible. Navigation landmark. NV Access empowering live through heading level 1. Visit the same page. Link graphic. NV Access empowering live. Heading level 1. Visit the same page. Heading level 1. Visit the same page. Link graphic. NV Access empowering live. Heading level 1. Visit the same page. Link graphic. NV link donate. List with 9 items. Visit the same page out of list. Main landmark. Heading level 2. We believe that every blind plus heading level 2 computer.
This is landmark navigation. It's very useful. Not all websites have this technology ARIA roles inserted into their design. Well, it's not a part of design. It's part of the user interface, which is not visible, but is very useful for screen reader users. So they have links, they have headings. We can navigate by headings with letter H.
The text heading level 2. Millions of people heading level 3. Technology is the key heading level 3.
Or by pressing letter key to jump from a link to another.
List with 3 items. Download the NVDA screen reader link. Support NV Access link. Training and support materials. Learn more about us and what we do. List with 4 items. Google Microsoft graphic link.
So in this way, we navigate only between links. Instead, if you go by arrow key down, we read links, we read any other kind of content, graphics, buttons. So this is the page. This is what actually is in the official main page of NVDA. I was trying to explain you what's about here and how to navigate it. If you wish to print this page, you can print. Pressing Ctrl P will open a dialog where your printer will be seen and you can print out the page. If you wish to bookmark the page, depending what browser you use, you have another shortcut to put this page on favorites and so on. But this is with the web page. Now,
Desktop list.
navigating in computer, are a few elements which are very important to understand. So first of all, you have to understand and to learn the functional keys on the keyboard. So a part of those letters and numbers, while you have them on a QWERTY key, we have those keys like Alt, Control, Tab, Shift, Escape. F keys like from F1 to F12, page up, page down, insert, delete, backspace, enter. All those keys you have to know them and to be easily located by yourself because they are very much used in a keyboard navigation. So if you wish to navigate between Window, Alt, Tab.
Audacity 01, column 101. Audacity, main panel, track 2.
Here is the window where I'm recording. If I'll open, for example, an Outlook, I'll press Windows key, which, by the way, is a very important feature because it's opening a search field
Search window, search box edit blank.
where you can type everything. So a name of the application or a name of a document.
O-L-U-T, Outlook, Classic, app, press right to out.
I'll press enter.
Inbox, Adrian, waiting for Outlook, dialog. Inbox, Adrian, Tamasan.
All right, so here I have the Outlook open. I'll press Windows again, Windows key.
Search window, search box edit blank.
And I'll open a Word document. So I'll type Word.
Word app, press right to view options 1 of 7.
And it's saying Word app. Press enter.
Word, home grouping, new grouping 1 of 3, templates list 3 of 3, blank document alt F, H, Y3 1 of 9. Document web layout page 1 section 1 blank.
And here is an empty document where I can type.
H-E-R-E, ears, I-C-A-N, hands, T. I-P-E, type space.
As you heard, I set the NVDA to make a beep whenever a letter is capital. You can do that from NVDA settings. Now, if I wish to move between those windows, I'll press Alt-Tab.
Inbox, Adrian, Tamasan, accessing Audacity, column 3 of Audacity, main panel, track 2, 1.
Here, once more, is Audacity.
Document 1, Word row, document
So
1,
here
Word,
is the document.
Audacity row 1, column 2, Audacity,
And
main.
here again, the Audacity.
Document 1, Word row 1, document 1, Word, document. Audacity row 1, column, Audacity, main panel, track 2, 1, audio 1.
But what you see now, while I'm pressing Alt-Tab, is moving only between those two windows, but I still have the Outlook opened, and it's not moving there. Why?
Document 1, Word, document web layout page. Audacity row 1, column, Audacity, main panel, track 2, 1, audio 1.
Because Alt-Tab simply is moving between the last two between last two visited windows. But if I wish to navigate between every single window, I have to hold down Alt and press Tab multiple times.
Document 1, Word row 1, column 2, 2 of 3.
The right window
Inbox, Adrian, Tamasan, accessing inbox, Adrian,
is
Tamasan,
up,
accessing
and then
Outlook,
I
table
can
view, table group,
release
expanded,
Alt
date, yesterday, grouping, expanded row 1, column 1 through 12, from Vista Print email exclude.
All right. So this is a very important command. Insert F12, I told you, saying the time and the date. When Alt F4 will close every application and every window.
Audacity, main panel, track 2, 1, audio 1.
So I'll not close this one because it's the recording in progress. I'll press Alt-Tab.
Document 1, Word, document web layout page 1, section 1, here I can spell in error type.
So, as you heard, was an error, typing an error found. So I'll go by word by word with Control left and right arrow keys.
Blank, spelling error, type out of spelling error. Can, spelling error, type out of spelling error.
Type, so this one is considered being an error. Now I can press an F7 in Word.
Editor window, pane, spelling, not a dictionary, grouping, misspelled, type, T-I-P-E, here I can type 1 of 2.
Okay, so let's press Tab.
Read context button 2 of 2. Suggestions to choose from grouping, type, T-Y-P-E, similar to kind, font, key split button 1 of 3.
No, I need...
Tape, T-I-P-E, similar to adhesive tape, cassette, ribbon, split button 2 of 3.
So arrow down I use here.
Tip, T-I-P, similar to landfill, slope, gratuity, split button 3 of 3. Other actions grouping, ignore once button I 1 of 3. Suggestions to tape, T-I-P-E, type, T-Y-P-E, similar to kind, font, key split button 1 of 3.
All right, so I'll take this one, I think.
Editor store for documents with 100 plus words. We display a store and update as you go through editor suggestions.
All right. So I press enter on the suggested correction. And now...
Audacity row 1, Audacity, document 1, Word, document web layout page 1, section 1, here I can grammar error type. Here I can grammar error type.
Error type.
Grammar error type out of grammar error. Grammar error, Y, T, E.
No, it's not correct. Anyway, I think we'll sit longer and working in documents and doing a bit of more serious editing at a later stage.
Microsoft Word dialog. Want to save or change the document? 1. If you click on save, a recent copy of this file will be temporarily available. Learn more. Microsoft Word window. Save button Alt plus S.
So I can hit save. It's not the case. I'll go tab.
Don't save button Alt plus N.
Don't save and press space bar.
Space. Audacity. Main panel. Rec.
Because
1 audio.
space bar or enter is confirming a change or is pressing a button. One more thing I told you I'll show you today. So I show you plenty of navigation.
Desktop list. Audacity 10 of 41.
Show you Word. Show you a bit of the NVDA menu. If you wish to change your language and your speech, first of all, I think I told you even in the previous episode, caps lock Control S or insert Control S, depends what modifier key you have.
Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer. Combo box IBM TTS.
So I've
Alt
got
plus S.
IBM Voices,
Microsoft Speech API version 5.
SAPI 5, arrow down.
Windows 1 Core Voices.
Windows 1 Core.
No speech.
No speech. So
Windows 1 Core Voices. Microsoft Speech API version 5.
let's go and map SAPI 5.
Desktop list. Audacity 10 of 40.
So this is the Romanian voice because I'm speaking Romanian, but I need to use an English voice in here. So I'll hold down caps lock and control. And while holding those down, I'll move with left and right arrow keys between various options of the speech.
Rate 200 FF.
Rate, don't need to change the rates, I'll go left.
Rate 90.
Rate no.
Voice vocalizer expresive Ioana Harpo 22 KHZ.
So this is the voice. I go now up and down with the arrow keys.
Voice Microsoft Zero Desktop, English, United States.
Voice Microsoft David Desktop, English, United.
Voice Microsoft Hazel Desktop, English. Voice Microsoft Hazel Desktop, English.
All right,
Great
let's keep Hazel. So I'll release now the caps lock and control. And now
Audacity row 1, Audacity.
it's talking Hazel, yeah? If I wish to go back to change the voice, let's go, first of all, changing the kind of synthesizer, the synthesizer.
Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer, combo box micro, Windows 1 Core Voices.
We'll choose another
Microsoft Speech API
protocol.
version 5, Windows 1 Core Voices.
1 Core Voices from
Audacity.
Microsoft.
My panel.
And here is Andrei, which is the Romanian voice again. Same thing. I'll hold down caps lock and control, and if left and right arrow keys.
Rate 34. Voice Microsoft Andrei. Voice Microsoft Mark.
Voice Microsoft Zira.
Voice Microsoft David. Voice Microsoft George. Voice Microsoft George. Voice Microsoft.
Voice Microsoft Susan.
I'll remain on Susan. So Susan here sounds way better.
Audacity row 1, Audacity. Main. Audacity row 1, Audacity. Main panel.
Yeah, on 1 core. Also, you can use S-Speak, but that one is quite metallic.
Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer E. E speaking.
Audacity main panel track view 1 of the 1.
Right? And here, again, you can choose the language, you can choose the speed. In eSpeak, every single voice have multiple variants and so on. But I'll go back with the Microsoft,
Select
with the
synthesizer dialog.
IBM
Synthesizer.
one,
IBM TTS PKG. IBM TTS.
which I
Audacity main
like
panel. Track
most.
2.
And wrap up. Actually, let's have a quick look over the options, what you can adjust while holding down caps lock and control.
Variant read.
So you can,
Voice American English. Volume 92. Inflection 30. Pitch 65. Rate boost off. Rate 50. Variant read. Voice American English.
so here you can change the voice. Eloquence voice, you can move it in.
Voice British English. Voice German. Voice Chinese. Voice Chinese. Voice Chinese. Voice German. Voice American English.
All right.
Variant read.
Variant here, read or other voices. Going towards the right.
Rate 50.
Rate
Rate boost off.
towards the right to make it boost or not. So if I'll put boost on, we'll go crazy in speed.
Pitch 65.
Pitch,
Inflection 30.
inflection,
Volume 92.
volume.
Voice American English.
And again, I'll not make any changes, but just to let you know what is available in terms of adjusting in this area. Those being said, I think I'll wrap up here the tutorial, the lesson for today. And I'll remind you, if you're stuck or if you like to have the benefit of having someone next to you ready to answer your questions or to tell you exactly what to do step by step, you can have me as a one-to-one trainer. You know already my details. If not, you can head up to accesstech.vip/contact, or you can call me at 077 88 24 11 25. Here in UK, during office hours in UK, you can contact me and I'll be more than happy to book you in. See you next time, all of you, and until next time, happy exploring screen reading.